So I'm reading for my WordPress website. In my WordPress website, I have a lot of traffic. If any traffic user coming to my WordPress website, how to redirect WordPress to my premium website? How to redirect the WordPress to premium website? The purpose of, first we can go to WordPress dashboard. In this option call is appearance. Click for menus. I'm reading for menu option is called website services. In this, go to custom links, copy my website URL. In this, I'm writing for website services, add to menu. After adding this menu, just drag and drop, click for save. So finally, coming to your site. If anybody click for website services, they go into your website. Means the blogger, if anybody click the menu, they're going to where? In my website. This is called, we can drive your traffic WordPress to website or WordPress to blogger or WordPress to your YouTube channel. So we can redirect from your YouTube channel. Same option. Here, custom link. In this, you can writing for www.youtube.com/your channel URL. You can add your demo, add to menu, save menu. If anybody coming to demo, is updating here. I'm clicking for demo. They go into your youtube.com. Right now I'm not adding any video. Once adding the video, they go into your particular video version. This is called, we can redirect your traffic WordPress to website, WordPress to blogger, and WordPress to your YouTube channel particular video also. This is called drive your traffic blogger to website.